Hello everyone, my name is Vlad. I am the CTO of SalesBotAI. We are an agency that uses AI to take a lot of headaches off our clients by automating their business processes. Today I am going to share you a success story about our work with WellPro, a real estate agency based in Dubai. Our client approached us with a specific challenge. They were dealing with a high volume of incoming correspondence from potential customers interested in buying property in Dubai and receiving thousands of inquiries 24/7. For instance, a wealthy Japanese businessman from the land of the rising sun could decide to inquire about properties in Dubai in the middle of the night, and they needed to be able to respond to the same questions from a large number of people in dozens of different languages again and again and again, 24/7. Furthermore, these messages were coming in from various channels like WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, WeChat, email, etc., etc. And we address this problem by integrating our AI bot with their CRM system. Our AI bot operates 24/7, always providing high quality responses in 100 languages. It's not subject to emotional fluctuations, doesn't take vacations, and doesn't ask for a salary raise. The bot handles several stages of communication with the client. It greets with the client, asks how it can assist, then clarifies the client's preferences such as budget, purpose of purchase, preferred area and size of the property, and fills in the CRM. So it creates a card in a CRM system with a summary of the dialogue. After that, it provides property options from the real estate agency's database and discusses the options with the client. And once the client has chosen a suitable option, it hands over the client to a manager for the next stage in the CRM funnel. And through each state, it processes the user messages in a natural, human-like manner. So it's comfortable to have a discussion with the bot. It can handle audio messages and even video messages. And it can even provide investment strategies and respond to non-standard questions and objections. For instance, if client asks what to consider when buying a property for rental purposes, or what is important for return of investments on investment perspective, our bot can provide insightful advice. So imagine that your customer reached the bot from the link on your website or from advertisement and write hello. Hello, welcome to Real Estate Agency. How can we assist you today? It can also handle audio messages and even video messages, so we can make a video. Hello, my name is Vladimir. I would like to buy property in Dubai. Hello. And send him by my phone. So first it sends me a transcription. Yeah, transcription is perfect. Hello, Vladimir, nice to meet you. What is your goal in buying the property? Are you planning to live in it or rent it out? So yeah, I can send him some Japanese. And it replies me in Japanese. Please reach back to could you please provide a budget? 1 million. Asks me about the currency, and I can try to write him some non-standard question. You are from Yeah, so it handles my objection and ask me again about the currency. Okay, currency is USD. What is my preferences, specific location, type of property, 3 rooms, and this. So it gave me some options to check, but noting that they are not perfectly match my request. Uh, they are not exactly near the sea and might not have exactly 3 rooms. I can also ask non-standard question. I don't have much experience with real estate investments. Can you please give me some advices how to make more money with my investment and how to select the proper variant? It sent me a transcript of my speech and then reply what is important for real estate investment: location, type of property, amenities, maintenance, market trends, renting strategies, etc. So based on the document which your managers use to give advices, artificial intelligence can also give some complex replies to the user. I can also ask to change currency. I will pay for your bank. Show as in your please. So it changed the currency, and I can say I like second option. Can we schedule what is your preferred way of communication? Call me by phone. So it give me a small summary. So now let's take a look on the CRM system. You can see that it moved my lead to the sales manager stage, and it also pushed a trigger to the special chat in Telegram, informing me that some conversation was finished and explaining briefly what did happen in this conversation. Vladimir turned to a real estate agency with an intention to buy property, blah 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 blah. Current values of CRM, yeah, and it also can note all special events which happened during our conversation. So your manager can save time reading all this chat by just watching the summary, and also we can check that the card of the client was filled perfectly. It said budget, goal, preferences, and selected property ID in my CRM system. So now let's make very easy calculations. How much money can it save for your business? If your agent spent like 2 or 3 hours per day having chats with clients, and you have like 10 persons in your company doing that, you can say, and you have about 300 working days per year, so AI bot can save about 10,000 hours in a year, and like tens and hundreds of thousands of dollars every year. of course, it can save a lot of neural cells in your worker's brain, helping them to focus on special cases in skillful tasks and don't do stupid work replying same questions again and again. So, and of course, the flow of the bot, the questions which it asks to the customer can be changed and can be applied not only for real estate agency, but for any company which has big amount of incoming requests from customers. So yeah, let's step into the future together today. Thank you.